Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play MLB The Show. To begin, familiarize yourself with the core controls for batting, pitching, and fielding. The game offers various difficulty settings, allowing you to tailor the experience to your skill level. Explore different game modes like Road to the Show or Diamond Dynasty to find what you enjoy most. Understanding these fundamentals is your first step toward becoming a virtual baseball star. Hitting is a crucial part of the game, offering three main interfaces: zone, directional, and pure analog. Zone hitting provides the most control, allowing you to move a PCI to target pitches. Timing your swing is paramount. Aim for perfect contact to drive the ball. Pay attention to the pitcher's repertoire and adjust your strategy accordingly to maximize your chances of getting on base. On the mound, you have several pitching interfaces, including Meter, Pinpoint, and Classic. Pinpoint offers the highest reward for precise input, while Meter provides a visual timing challenge. Successfully varying your pitch types and locations is key to striking out batters. Learn your pitcher's best pitches and use them strategically to dominate the strike zone and secure outs. Fielding is just as vital as hitting and pitching. React quickly to batted balls, position your fielders correctly, and make accurate throws to prevent runs. Base running requires smart decision-making. Know when to steal, when to take an extra base, and when to hold. Mastering these defensive and offensive aspects will significantly improve your overall gameplay and lead to more victories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.